We'll guide you through how to count words in Google Docs. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your Google Docs document by going to docs.google.com and signing in to your Google account if you're not already logged in. Once you have your document open, you can find the word count feature quite easily. Just go up to the menu at the top of the screen and click on Tools. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Word Count. A small window will pop up showing you the total number of words in your document, along with other useful stats like the number of pages, characters with spaces, and characters without spaces. If you want to check the word count for a specific section of your document, you can do that too. Simply highlight the text you want to count, then go back to Tools and click on Word Count again. This time, the word count window will show you the count for just the highlighted selection. For those who like to keep track of their word count as they go, there's a handy option to display the word count while typing. When you have the word count window open, just check the box at the bottom that says Display Word Count while typing. This will keep a running total right in the bottom corner of your document as you type. It's a great way to stay on target if you have a specific word count goal. And that's all there is to it. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.